In this video, I'm going to show you how to change leverage on Kraken Pro. To change leverage on Kraken Pro, you need to access the order form for a specific trading pair. The leverage is automatically selected based on the pair, right? You can see right here, BDC perp 50x. This 50x is the leverage, okay? And you can choose or adjust, that order type or the trading pair leverage, right? You can see BTC USD 5x, Ripples US dollars 5x, etc. Right? And you can choose your favorite trading pair with the leverage automatically selected. Okay, let's have for example Doge, or excuse me, Fort coin, which is a meme coin. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead, buy or sell, of course, the coin, right? And before you execute your trade, you're gonna hit the spot next to the limit. You're gonna hit spot, and instead of spot, you're gonna hit margin, right? And that will allow you, of course, to borrow money in order to execute your trade. Okay, so afterwards, of course, set the TP and SL. After you finish, just hit buy the coin, okay, and start executing your trade. Always double check your order details, including the leverage, before confirming the trade. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.